So I myself, Dr. Adarsh Pandey, welcome Professor Raghavendra directly from Karnataka, India. And I also welcome few students from Lahore, Pakistan. Thank you so much for being with us. And now I'm going to Miss Chaitanya Raj, who is the student of BSc Part 1 here in my department, for the formal welcome of Professor Raghavendra and other guests. Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Over to you.
Good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure to welcome you all. So, as a famous quotation says, मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो कि सफलता शोर मचा दे. So, by taking inspiration from this thought, today I, Chaitanya of BSc first year student,
A
is
lot
gonna
of
welcome.
echo is there. We are not able to hear actually. A lot of echo is here.
कुछ साउंड में प्रॉब्लम है
Sir, please
चैतन्य.
adjust your mic or something. Thank you.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, it's better now. It's gone.
So today, I, Chaitanya of BSc first year student, gonna welcome a very intelligent and charming personality who is Professor Raghavendra. He is MSc from Life Sciences and MPhil from Biodiversity. He is biodiversity scientist, professor, and head department of PG studies. He was invited by Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati for conference as resource person on biodiversity. Invited by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka. Gone to Bangalore for the conference as resource person on research methodology. He is Vice President in Sirsi Education District, Karnataka. Rajya Vijnana Parishad and state member in Subcommittee on Food and Health. He represented the Karnataka state in Republic Day Parade, New Delhi during January 2007 and presented many scientific papers on endangered medicinal plants in world, international, national, and university conferences. Awarded as Lifetime Achievement Award. He is PG coordinator and chairman in Academic Council and a research officer and NSS program officer, examiner for PGMD. Research methodology and biostatistics, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, Bangalore. He is also an author of textbook for MD named Research Methodology for Researchers. I welcome you here, sir, to motivate us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Now it's over to you, Professor Raghavendra sir. Professor Raghavendra. Professor Raghavendra, you are on. Professor Raghavendra, can you hear me? Professor Raghavendra, you are on, sir. Professor Raghavendra, sir, you are on.
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah,
morning.
yeah, please go ahead. Yes, sir. Good morning. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir. Uh, yes, sir. Good morning to all. My dear students, my beloved, respected Dr. Adarsh Pandey, given me an opportunity to have the talk with my all budding researchers. Thank you very much. And my biodata well introduced one of the students, uh, Chaitanya. All the best, madam. And very warm, happy new year to all of you. Now let us share my views. Actually, it's talk given as a lecture, but it's not the lecture actually. My thoughts sharing with you students. Yeah. Let us see research and the research process. Okay. Yeah. What is research? Research that comprises creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge. Research that comprises creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge. Yeah. In the research, questions are many. Many experts define the research. My own definition for the research is a study undertaken in order to discover the new knowledge. Dear students, many experts define research. One of my research view is it's a study undertaken in order to discover the new knowledge. That's what we are going to be called the research. But Oxford University that defines research. Research is an endeavor of to discover new facts or correlate to old facts. But what we are telling is research is a study undertaken in order to discover the new knowledge. Same thing. Research that comprises a creative work undertaken in a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of the knowledge. As Professor Pandey is a well-versed person, very active, enthusiastic person. Okay, he called me from the last week only, but now it's a great time to be share my views with Professor Pandey. Pandey sir, once again, very thankful to you for.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's our privilege to have you here, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for
sir.
accepting
Thank
the
you very much.
invitation. Thank you.
PG
Please.
students here, no?
Yeah, PG students are here, even research students here, and even
Okay.
even few students from Pakistan also here.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
My well wishes to my beloved students from the Pakistan. Happy New Year to all once again. A special welcome to you all. Yeah. What is research? See, in the research, questions are many, but answers few. Can you accept this? In the research, questions are many, answers are very few. When you're starting your research, don't think so. Research means you have to do. In the BSc, if you take a project, that's also research. I mean, the research word is that only. That's what I told. I am the author of a text, Research Methodology for the Researchers. Here I given a very particular definition for what is research. Research is nothing but a study undertaken in order to discover the new knowledge. That's what I accepted. So here, when you are going to be discover the new knowledge, there the questions are many, but answers are very few. Same aspect. Picking your topic is research. I mean it. If you pick the topic for any lecture or project, that is your research. When starting your research, you may or may not have a clear question, but by starting with an idea and formulating this idea into a question, you will be able to review the literature already written on this topic, which will likely help you to refine and narrow your questions. See, questioning itself is research. I mean it. Later, my next slide will explain you questioning. If you question in your life, that is research. See, that's what I'm defining here. When starting your research, you may or may not have a clear question. But by starting with an idea and formulating this idea into a question, you'll be able to review the literature already written on this topic, which will likely help you to refine and narrow your questions. Clarity. Good. Yeah. One of the very interesting topic now. Why should I care about research? This is important. Why you should care about research? Why you are bothering about the research? Simple. Answering questions, making decisions. This is too impossible in our life. See, if all the questions we will answer in our life, that will make the decisions for our future. But we are not. Therefore, answering questions, you must care about the research and making the decisions. Every day we encounter the research. But common sense is oftenly wrong. I mean it. You try to understand the image here, why I'm going to be give the idea. Okay, next. Come to the point. I define two topics. My lecture today, as I discussed with Professor Pandey, sir, I will discuss on the research and research process. Many lectures I am given across the country. Across the country, more than 10 university, I given a lecture on the different topics. But I don't know. I have some emotional attachment with Professor Pandey. Just for a day, it was some emotional thoughts. That's what I selected this topic: research and research process. Research we defined very clearly. Very clearly we defined it. What is research? Now it's very clear, friends. It's a study undertaken in order to discover new knowledge. It is research. Now the question arises: what is the research process? I mean it in the PG students, in the research scholars. You might be heard about the research process. In your beginning, you are submitting your synopsis. There you are facing these are the questions. Synopsis presentation with the utmost priority in the PG, right? There, research process, it is the systematic manner in which a researcher, you only, we are going to call BSc students, but we are not supposed to be called MSc student. We are supposed to be called PG scholars. Try to understand my language here. BSc students, graduation level, we are calling the student life. But when you enter the post graduation, we are not supposed to call MSc students. We are supposed to call it as the PG scholar. Try to understand the language. There, scholar, it have its own meaning. Bracket, researcher. What is the research process? It is the systematic manner in which a researcher approaches their area of study to produce the knowledge which the community will consider to be worthwhile within the field. See, our research beneficial to the community. It is the systematic manner in which a researcher approaches their area of study to produce knowledge which the community will consider to be the worthwhile within the field. This is the research process. My dear PG scholars, my dear research scholars, try to understand what is research process. Very simple. It is the systematic manner in which a researcher approaches their area of study to produce the knowledge which the community will consider to be worthwhile within the field. Basically, there are four principles in the research process that I would like to try to cover. Inquiry, collection, organization, presentation. inquiry, collection, organization, and presentation. Very, very important. Inquiry, inquiry, very, very important thoughts. Yeah. Now let us begin. What is research process? See, friends, if you put a question mark, that is your beginning of the life. There is no question mark, or there is no question, no life will be beginning. Therefore, my thoughts in the 2021, very prosperous, happy new year to all. Have the habit to question in your life. What is research process? 3 questions. Series of various actions which are necessary to effective research work. Very interesting. Research process that consists of a number of closely related activities. Try to understand the definition again here. Research process that consists of a number of closely related activities. Various steps involved in the research are not mutually exclusive, or they are not separate or distinct. Yeah. Try to understand this diagrammatic presentation. My dear research scholars, you are in the verge of completion of your research, or some of in the first step. Research process. First and foremost thing, develop the hypothesis, select the issue, vice versa process, both of them. Review the topic. You design your research. Of course, point to be noted, ethics is coming under the research process. Followed, you heard it already. Your ethical committee that gives the idea. Review the topic, data analysis and measurement. Write the report, action plan. These are all coming under the research process. My dear undergraduate students, BSc students, supposed to be you develop this in your study. Followed, don't confine only to regarding your syllabus oriented. I might be just crossing the syllabus, or I'm away from the syllabus, but try to understand what is research. Because some research articles you are reading, there you try to understanding these are the words. Okay, good. Yeah. There the one word it comes, academic integrity. Academic integrity, that means the honesty and responsibility in the scholarship. Intellectual contribution from others must be consistently and responsibly acknowledged in the research. In the research, review of literature, many research views. My dear PG scholars, you are submitting your assignments. There is a chance for you to review the different literatures. But your responsibility is to acknowledge the topic where you selected. What is the word you are selected? What is the statement you are giving in research? You try to write it as the reference. That is the word called academic integrity. But nowadays, your modern era, everything straight off the internet. No. Academic integrity means honesty. Research is honesty. Responsibility in the scholarship. Intellectual contributions from others must be consistently and responsibly acknowledged. Academic work completed in any other way is fraud. I'm sorry, I cannot use this word, but I have to be. There is no acknowledgement, That's a fraud work in research. Try to understand my language, friends. Followed? Good. Research process. Point number one, understand the assignment of the goal. See, you are completing your research by 36 months, post graduation by 24 months. Try to understand your assignment or the goal. Identify subject and the topic. See, my very loving point. Develop a guiding question. If you put the question mark in your life, you are 50% syllabus over. Your 50%, I will challenge you people, put a question in your syllabus. Your 50% of the study over. There is no knowledge about the questioning. We are failing in our life also. Develop a guiding question. Gather more information and evaluate the sources. Review of literature, what I told. Create, revise, and contribute. Present and allied. Evaluate, reflect, and apply. See, these are all coming under the research process. Research process. One of the loving topic mine is develop a guiding question. Very, very important. What are the questions? Very interesting in the research. What I am going to be speaking here, the scientific research process is a multiple step process. The scientific research process is a multiple step process where the steps are interlinked with the other steps in the process. How, why, when, what, where. See, scientific research process is a multiple step process where the steps are interlinked with the other steps in the process. How, why, who, like that. Understand? This is how you try to take over the questions. I will repeat the slide again. Don't worry. Just once review it. Yeah. In the life, there are 7 steps in the research process. See, our Indian tradition followed in the marriage process. One of the not process, wedlock process is the 7 steps with togetherness. 7 steps in the togetherness. You are aware? Saptapadi, what we are going to be tell. See, 7 steps of the research process. Here also same thing. Our Indian tradition great. Okay, 7 steps of the research process. Define research problem. First step. Define the research problem. Step number 2. Review of literature. Review of literature. Define the research problem. Review of literature. Step number 3. Formulate the hypothesis. Very interesting. Define the research problem. Review of literature. Formulate the hypothesis. Preparing the research design. Preparing the research design. Data collection. Data analysis. Interpretation and report writing. I hope, PG scholars, you are following these are the steps. If you're not followed, no, you are failing. These are the mandatory process. There are the 7 steps of the research process. Define the research problem. Review of literature. Formulate the hypothesis. Preparing the research design. Data collection. Data analysis. Interpretation and report writing. See, In the very beginning only, I told very clearly, research. Research is nothing but a study undertaken in order to discover new knowledge. Data collection, data analysis, interpretation, report writing. This is what we are going to be tell the research. They are the interlinked. Define research problem. Yeah. Professor Pointe, sir, I will take 5 minutes extra time, please.
Sure, 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 sir. No problem.
Uh, is it clear, sir?
Yeah, it is very clear, and I hope that the
Oh.
students of BSc and MSc, they are well aware. They are being well aware of how to do research
you,
and
sir.
what
Thank
to
you,
do
sir.
research.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's a very wonderful lecture. Please carry on. But don't take much time, sir. Okay. You know,
No.
internet and everything has its own limitations.
I know the
You know, na?
limitation.
So you
12:35 can खत्म हो
हाँ
जाएगा.
12:35. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Define research problem. See, there are the two types of the research problem. Life में भी ऐसे होता है problem. Two types. Okay, चलो, leave it. First one is related to states of the nature, relationship between the variables. Essentially, two steps are involved to define the research problem. Understand the problem thoroughly, rephrasing the same into the meaningful terms from my point of view. Very, very important, my dear PG scholars. Please try to understand the first one. Okay, good. We have a problem. Identify the problem. In your life also, many problems. No, try to understand what is the problem. The first step in the process is to identify a problem or develop a research question. मैं बार बार एक क्वेश्चन के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. Please try to understand. The research problem may be something the agency identifies as a problem, some knowledge or the information that is needed by the agency, or the desire to identify recreation trend nationally. Very, very important. Okay, good. Step 2. See, you try to understand diagram here. Review of literature. Once the problem is defined, a brief summary of it should be written down. It is compulsory for a research worker writing a thesis for a PhD degree. Some research scholar here, MPhil and PhD student, please. PhD degree to write a synopsis of topic and submit it to the necessary committee or the research board for the approval. Okay, please. This is very, very important. Followed like that. Okay, good. See, research. My 2 minute just deviating to my talk. If supposed to be, anyone will ask us, among 5 fingers, which is the greatest one? Greatest one is all the fingers are great. You know why? See, thumb is telling I am the great. You know why? See, if you win any task, how we are showing the finger? Thumb only. Followed like that. Index finger also सोच रहा है I am the great. How? See, point outing. You did the mistake. किसी को पॉइंट आउट करता है ना, कौन सा फिंगर आगे जाता है? हमारा इंडेक्स फिंगर. इतना हिम्मत नहीं है हमको बोलने के लिए. हिम्मत नहीं तो दिस इज द ग्रेटनेस. अमंग द 5 द मिडल फिंगर इज द टॉलेस्ट वन. देखो, आप नॉर्मल रहते तो आपका मिडल फिंगर बहुत बड़ा रहेगा. एक बार सोचो, देख लो एक बार. यस, गुड. टॉलेस्ट वन बोल रहा है among the 5 I am the tallest. Ring finger. Indian tradition में ring finger को बोलता है next to the middle finger. That is the richest one. हमारा wedding lock इधर से start होता है. Last finger बोलता है I am also great. Why? देखो, इंडियन ट्रेडिशन में हम प्रणाम करता है कैसे? दोनों हाथ जोड़ के. Followed. There the first finger, our prayer is to the God from the little finger. वो बोलता है I am also great. See, research is like that. All are very important topics. See, once the problem is defined, a brief summary of it should be written down. It is compulsory for a research worker writing on the thesis for a PhD degree So write a synopsis of topic and submit it to the necessary committee or the research board for the approval. Review the literature. Same thing. See, itna textbook lena hai. So I will go fast. Huh? Review of literature has to move from fast to the future. This word, please note down. Review of literature has to move from fast to the future. Fast to the future. Very, very important. Go to the fast history. We have the COVID literature. Fast history. Go back. कोविड के ऊपर में कुछ लिखा है बट वर्ड नहीं लिखा हमने कोविड ऐसे सुना है दैट्स ऑल फ्यूचर में रेफरेंस होता है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मुलेट हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग हाइपोथेसिस टेंटेटिव assumption made in order to draw out and test its logical or empirical consequences very very important gather the background information gather the backward information hypothesis you are aware that it's a contention based on the preliminary evidence हम थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे hypothesis should be keep on a right track materials hypothesis procedure statement conclusion everything the rule of the hypothesis is to guide the researcher by delimiting the area of research and to keep him on the right track very very important friends my dear PG scholars try to understand this language the role of the hypothesis is to guide the researcher by delimiting the area of research and to keep him on the right track. Very, very important. Searching for the sources. Identify the important concept in your topic. Once you have articulated your topic, try to pick out the important concept or the keywords which you can use when you search for the articles. Identify the subject area. Consider how recent or historical your research is. But do not take the outdated topics. Please, do not take the outdated topics. Searching literature analytes on the matter of interest. You highlight it. Step number 4, preparing the research design. You design it. Exploration, description, diagnosis, experimentation. See, the function of the research design is to provide for the collection of relevant evidence. Data collection. Primary data can be collected through observation, through personal interview, telephonic interview, mailing of questionnaire, through schedules. Collection of the data, once the data is already. Data analysis, coding, editing, tabulation, very, very important. See, like that, these are the things to be. 7 steps, analyze the data. All the time, effort, and the resources dedicated to step 1 to the 7 of the research process culminate in this final step. The researcher finally has data to analyze so that the research questions can be answered. The information plan. Evaluate your result. Look at the number of article citation you were able to retrieve. Very, very important. See, step 7, interpretation and report writing. Number 1, the preliminary pages, the main text, and the end matter. Matter end 9, researcher. Point number 1, report writing, the preliminary pages, the main text, and end matter. Don't matter the end. Okay, these are the things to be. Write what you find using a standard format. Using a standard format. Give credit where credit is due. Cite your sources. That's what from the beginning I am telling you people. Okay, cite what you find using a standard format. Give credit where credit is due. Cite your sources. You try to give acknowledgement to everyone. Citing or documenting the sources used in your research serves 2 purposes. It gives the proper credit to the authors of the methods used. Okay, good. Okay, well, friends. So this is what I'm going to be discussing with you. Now, the session is opening. Professor, Pate sir, the session will go for the opening. If any questions comes from the student side, please let us discuss.
The first, this is a very good lecture, sir. Thank you very much. And the session is open for the discussion. And I am seeing one question from Maria, directly from Pakistan. Maria, you can ask your question, please.
How to write a research paper or article?
Her question is
Madam,
how to
not clear audible.
how to write the good research paper. She is asking actually.
Yeah, very good. So my best suggestion is it's a time constraint. I cannot explain totally. You go for first, madam, a good research publication. A good research publication. You try to collect wherever it's easily available in your Google search. You follow the steps, how they started abstract, how they are going to be write abstract, how they are quoting the reference, like that. So first you list out the research publications, then automatically it comes.
I
Followed?
yeah, that's
Ah.
very good. Anything else, Maria? Can you would you like to ask anything else?
My
Thank you,
email
sir.
ID and
And my
reference number,
one
Dr. Pandey
question
sir will
more.
share you everything.
Yeah, please go ahead, Maria.
How to read or study a research paper? Best way.
Miss Maria, not audible clearly.
Yeah, I can hear her, sir. She is asking that how the good research is being done and how to read the good research papers. Where to go?
This is only by searching.
Yeah, that's good. You have to search. You have to search on the internet for the good research paper. That's very
Yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Okay,
No,
okay.
this is called this is research. This is research only.
I also have one question, sir. Would you
If
please?
I may add something, sir.
Ha, Atul, please. Dr. Atul Uprati, please.
Yes, sir. Since Maria is from Pakistan,
You are not audible, Atul sir.
for Indian students,
You are not audible, sir. Atul sir,
Hello?
please be clear.
sir, am I audible now?
Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Please.
Okay, sir. So since Maria is from Pakistan, I don't know about the government schemes there, but here we have in Enlist, which is Shodh Ganga, Shodh Sindhu rather, where it is a consortium of all IITs and libraries, and we have very good papers and collections of books there, which are available for free for the institutions, which are under 2F and 12B of UGC. So if you can students over here in India can go and find good journals and good publications there.
Thank you, Dr. Atul.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is
Okay, sir.
clear.
Thank you.
Thank you, Maria, for being with us. And Dr. Atul, would you like to ask anything else to Professor Raghvendra?
Sir, I want to ask.
Sure, Khushi, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I am Anjulika Narang.
Okay, Angelica, please.
Hello. Am I audible?
Doctor. Please.
Sir, I want to ask, means while just reading the research articles, what negative points should be keep in mind that cannot be negative for the research scholar? And
100%.
consider to the-
That is research. That is research. Very good. Very good conclusion. This is research. The questioning itself is the research. I told no from the beginning of my 35 minutes lecture. If you question there, it may be the positive or negative. That is the research. Very good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Good.
I have also one question, sir. Would you please allow me?
Professor Pandey, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, please, sir. Most welcome, sir. Please.
Please.
Because both of us sharing the same boat.
Thank you. Thank you. Please tell to our students that going in the research is a better option for getting a job. Is it? Or is it not?
100% correct, sir. Because, see, the invention that gives the better life. The invention is our research.
Okay.
Followed.
Okay.
Don't keep up your graduation or the post graduation is ending. Further process, research.
Okay. Thank you. And
Yes,
Mr. Ehsan Rana, please introduce yourself and ask your question. Mr. Rana, please.
Thanks, sir, for giving this opportunity, sir. Thanks for this helpful lecture. And I have a question.
You are from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Please. Most welcome and please go ahead.
How to write a review paper?
Professor Raghvendra.
Pandey sir, please you repeat the question.
How to write the review paper?
अच्छा, good.
रिव्यू
It
कैसे
is the
लिखा
second
जाए?
step only, no? Review of literature, you go there, you try to collect the collections.
हेलो, या प्लीज गो ahead, प्रोफेसर राघवेंद्र. So I think the session is over now. Good questions from India and Pakistan. I would like to now invite Dr. Atul Upreti to please say the vote of thanks to our invited guest, Professor Raghvendra sir.
Before I propose the vote of thanks, can I add a few things?
Sure.
Since it is,
Sure, most
regarding
welcome.
research.
Sure.
We have been doing research for quite a while now.
Okay, so now I invite
Three points
Dr. Atul Upreti for the concluding remarks and for the vote of thanks. Thank you. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. So, for all students and fellow researchers here, my take on this lecture is that we must keep three things in our mind while taking any research. First of all, the format. In what format we are writing. If we have a format, and teachers can play a very important role in providing different formats. Like, I would like to share an example from Government PG College, Pithampur. I asked all my students to submit their project by email. It is 5 or 6 years back. And one of my students said, "Sir, I will write a paper on vitamin D." I said, "You cannot write a paper on vitamin D. But, all the best to you. You just do it." And after 4 or 5 months, she came back and said, "Sir, it is very difficult to write a paper on vitamin D, and my topic would be now role of vitamin D in cardiovascular diseases, women and friends." So if we provide some, formats of projects and writing, these students, it will be very beneficial for them. Myself and Dr. Pandey are trying hard to develop such a format so that graduation and PG can write their projects on that. Then the framework of the research, life science research in life science would be very different from the research in any art subject. Like, in subjects of social sciences and all, theory and practicals have different meanings. Theory is theoretical and practical is reality in that sense. But in science, theory is just the replica of practical. What practical says and what theory says should be the same, cannot be different. So these things change, from subject to subject, and that we have to take. So we are talking this time about research in science subject. So we have to take that framework in mind, and that is why a life scientist can help very little while writing paper of physics or chemistry. Then, but the most important thing is that our syllabus is lacking the research component. Right from the graduation, if we can add this thing in syllabus that you have to write a paper or so, like
Dr. Atul, someone is trying to ask anything, so I will invite her. Please go ahead. Who is asking?
सर आपकी डबल वॉइस आ रही है.
ये सबकी आ रही है बेटा, इस समय मुझे भी इको आ रही है. I think I cannot help it much. So, sir, without wasting any time further.
Yeah, please conclude. Please conclude, yes, Dr. Atul, please.
Respected Dr. Adarsh Pandey, fellow teachers and researchers, and our most valued guest, Professor Raghvendra, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of entire organizing team, supporting team, audience, and on my own personal behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Professor Raghvendra for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions today. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us out of your very busy schedule. Ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. I cannot thank enough Dr. Adarsh Pandey and his team for the hard work and dedication and the efforts they put in. Congratulations, sir, for organizing such a nice event.
Thank
And
you.
thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you
Over to
all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And I hope this was a nice session delivered by Professor Raghavendra directly from Karnataka, India. I am thankful to all who attended the session, especially Maria and her friends from Pakistan, and all the students who attended the session. And once again,
Sir, a
I'm
very gentle reminder that we are going to organize a lecture series very soon.
yeah,
So we would like to invite Dr. Raghavendra and
sure,
our friends from
sure,
across the border.
sure,
again.
sure, sure.
Yes.
Sure, sure. We are just going, we are very soon we are going to organize a lecture series, me and Dr. Atul Upreti. So be ready for that. And we will invite Professor Raghavendra again. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Pandey, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. And your certificate is ready. I am just going to deliver you your certificate of
Leave it, sir.
presentation.
That doesn't matter.
Thank you. Thank
नहीं, इसमें
you.
हो तो 25 साल से इधर है
Okay, okay,
मेरा
okay.
सिल्वर जुबली है